Sekarang waktunya buat challenge. So kita bakal battle cowok-cowok ini dari Ceko, dari Taiwan, dari Jerman, dari Meksiko, dan dari Brasil. It's simple banget. Yang makan bakwan, satu bakwan dengan cabai paling banyak itu adalah pemenangnya. Karena kita tahu kemarin Alex katanya dia suka makan pedas dan ternyata semua bilang oh it's easy. So we will see how easy it is. Okay guys, so are you ready for the chili bite battle?
That's okay.
Cool. Who do you think is the winner? I am betting for Alex. I have here bakwan. It's an Indonesian pages mixed with flour, and we fried it. And this is 3 chilies. So how Indonesian eat this? Always like you bite this, and then you bite chili after that. So you mix. You have this spicy flavor in your mouth. So there will be the battle. Who eat the most chili are the winners. So are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, let's do it. Just grab one.
Here. That smells so good though.
I hope it tastes good as well. Sorry that the lesson looks really interesting.
Cheating, everybody's cheating. Look at the size of that one, like it's so tiny. I feel like hanging out like.
Okay, so don't eat that fast. Just enjoy it, and then bite your chili. So do it. Go on.
So buy this one and buy this one, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Like have this. Yeah, right.
Do your own way.
Oh, yeah.
Just do on your own way.
I can go.
Yeah, do it. Oh my god. Tiago, eat your.
It's like it's kind of strong. I can't regret my decisions.
It's red.
Wow. It's hot.
Will I die or
The
will
fucker already ate you. Wow.
Oh my god, Alex.
you're next?
Oh my god.
This is so good, to be honest.
Yeah? With the chili, right? Yeah, that's why Indonesian love it. We eat it like that. You're getting red, bro.
Woo!
No, that's really
Fuck you.
Oh my god. And Basti? Show me your
It's hot, but I'm still good.
Oh wow. So Alex and Basti already bite too.
Wow, what? You took 2?
Wow!
Oh, and David, are you crazy? Oh, he
I said
finished
in the
it.
previous video I like spicy.
Wow.
Better than the fruit.
Our Nathaniel, he's going to his second chili. You guys, you can grab the next chili if you want, because I know you're also strong. My god, I didn't expect that. David makan ini chili keempat. If you go to Indonesia, guys, you will survive because you eat spicy.
What the fuck? You ate 5 already?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You need to go to Mexico. There are some tacos that are called
Hi.
He's sweating.
mentadas. Those tacos have like a lot of chili. You cannot resist 2 tacos. Even one.
Oh, that's so spicy. Like they use what? Habanero or this? I know there's a lot of different peppers, right? And habanero is crazy. I tried, like he cut it and I ate. I was like crying.
I'm gonna get the last one. Fuck it.
Eat that.
Can I get it?
Yeah, of course. Eat that.
I had 5 already and I don't anymore. Just 5 is enough.
Wow. Well done. Thumbs up for check. How about you guys? 5. And you 5. Nate? 3. Tiago 3. He's done.
It takes a while for them to kick in, right?
He's like, my god. So the winner is like Checo and Mexico. That's so crazy. So David, how can you and oh, you too, 5, no? Oh, and German is sorry, and husband as well. Sorry husband, I thought you would have 4. So, satu bakwan, mereka makan 5 cengek. Gila nih orang-orang. Lihat tadi.
I'm sweating.
Nonton dia keringetan.
I'm still alive.
Makan pedas.
Oh man, like
Makan
you're really
tiga.
sweating.
He is. Drink milk. Sekarang mereka minum susu biar netral perutnya. Tiago is that. So what do you say eating like fried things with chili?
I would say that goes good together. Like something crunchy and fried.
Yeah?
Something spicy. I like that.
More milk. It's really good.
That's nice. Nathaniel.
I need a towel. Hey, what happened to you, man?
He's burning.
Tongue's burning.
I know. Oh my god. Poor thing. Tiago is got a burning back.
That's so good, but this burger.
Yeah.
But this burger.
Pedas banget.
Good for your health, right?
Yeah.
It's good for your friends.
Well done, guys. Yay! So we have the 3 winners here, but then Nathaniel doing well and Tiago as well. Thank you. I'm so proud of you.